Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I tweeted about this OnePlus buds the other day and some of you were really excited about the product. So let's unbox it today and find what's inside and if it's any good. Let's unbox the OnePlus buds. So first up we see is the OnePlus buds case. And the buds are inside that, obviously. And it has a really nice white matte finish that I really dig. I think the quality is really good. Let's get to the bottom of the box and let's see what's below this. I think that's just a bunch of paperwork. Let's open it up. Yep, a bunch of paperwork and a tiny cable. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable. It's pretty cute. Its quality looks fine, not the great. Hey, this one has a little OnePlus logo dug on it. I don't get this on my OnePlus phone. No fair. But okay, that's fine. The quality is also fine. So here is the case itself. This looks like a really well built case, and compared to my AirPods, definitely well built. The AirPods feel like some cheap quality plastic. And it has a good hinge as well. It's just a tad bit thicker and bigger than the AirPods itself, but the build is better, so whatever you prefer. And coming to the buds itself, the build of the buds actually are very similar, and I just think that the OnePlus buds are slightly uglier because that nub thing on the end. I mean, why that design? And also the stem of the OnePlus buds is a little thick. Just design things. Okay, so the clicks sound pretty satisfying, and each click tells something about the quality of the build. Coming to the sound quality of the buds, they actually do sound pretty good, and for the price that they sell at, it's incredible. And in fact, I actually thought that they would not sound as good as my AirPods, but they kind of do. They are a little bass heavy, so the sound is different from my AirPods, but by no means are they bad. It's just a matter of preference. So yeah, for one third the price, they're actually pretty good deal. So in my next video, I'll compare the daily use case of the OnePlus Buds and the AirPods and few things that each of these do better than the other. And you might not want to miss that, so make sure you subscribe so you catch that video. Okay, with this, time for me to go. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and So I tweeted about the OnePlus Buds the other day and a lot of you were kind of excited about the product. So today let's unbox it and find if there is any good inside the box. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So I tweeted about the OnePlus Buds and some of you were excited about the product. So let's unbox it and find what's inside. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a couple days back,